Hey everybody, welcome back. This video here we're going to talk about ordered pairs. I know this is something you learned a long time ago, but you would be surprised at the people who mess these up and get them backwards, and I just want to make sure we cover some of our bases. This video should not take very long, and I might show you a tool that you're not used to using, but I think you'll like. Alright, so this is in the lesson notes, and you should be writing these down. So an ordered pair, it's exactly what it says. It's an ordered pair that creates a coordinate in the coordinate plane. All right, an ordered pair contains the coordinates of 1 point, all right, in the coordinate system. So notice you got your vertical axis, which is y, your horizontal axis is x, and when they say ordered, it matters. X and y always are in this order. When they say, so for example, the ordered pair 2, 3 means over 2 in the x direction, up 3 in the y direction, so that would be the location of 2, 3. Remember, negative x's go left of 0, negative y's go below 0 this way. Okay, and that's how that works. I know that's super simple, boring for a lot of you, but I wanted to put that out there just so when I'm doing work with ordered pairs, I don't have to explain this over and over again. And I put some of this in an assignment. And one of the reasons I did it is I want to show you a tool that I want you to learn how to use. And okay, so when you're in our course, go to the toolbox, and in the toolbox you're going to find Desmos, and part of this assignment I gave you in Delta Math is just practicing some Desmos, or if you want to use it you can. You don't have to, they're so easy, you can probably knock them out in 5 minutes without it. But anyway, you go into Desmos here, and if you want to mess around with ordered pairs in here, it'll plot them for you. So let's just do a mental. Well, let's see. A minute ago, 2, 3, 2, 3. Don't put anything else in there, and notice it plotted it for you. It went over 2, up 3. Now look, these are the y-axis is done a little different. It goes in 2. Well, they all go in 2s. 2, 4, 6. So that's the point 2, 3. You can have it label it for you if you wanted it to, right? And if you want to put another entry in here, let's do a negative. Suppose we want to put a negative 3 and 0. All right, so look, anytime you have a 0 for y, it lives on the x-axis. That's going to be a big deal later. If you have a 0 for x, let's do another one of these. We'll put a 0 for x and put a negative 2 in here. And that's going to live on the y-axis. Always works that way. 0 for y lives on the x-axis. 0 for x lives on the y-axis. That's how it works. And that's also in the Delta Math a little bit. So I wanted you to get oriented with the coordinate plane and how plotting points works, making sure you review that and are fluent with it. We don't have a lot of time to talk about how to plot a point when we get into our course content. We just have to know how to do it. And just for quick reference, this is the first quadrant, second, third, fourth. So they rotate counterclockwise. And that is about all you need to do that assignment, just getting familiar. That's why it's in the review section. It's all in a day's work. So hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.